The path to your first $1 million is focusing on acquiring a high demand skill set. And this skill set is just that. It's something that cannot be taken away from you. If you learn this and I took everything from you, you were a billionaire, I took it all away from you, you could earn it all back. Everybody's heard of stories like this in the past. That's because they have the mindset and the skill set and the know-how to get back to where they were because they took the time from initially getting started to really understanding what it takes to get where they are today. Now, this doesn't happen overnight, nor should you expect it to happen overnight. It's all about creating value for your consumer. If I said my product is $5, you would say, why would I pay for that? And I said, hey, if you pay $5 for this product, in return, you're going to get $25. How many of those products would you buy? Is an example. Your 5x or 500% return in this case is where the value lies. So your next business venture opportunity, you have to ask yourself, what is the scalability component of that business? So what I mean is don't think about just $100,000 or just $1 million or $10 million. You have to say, could I potentially expand this business into a $100 million business? Because a lot of people would say, hey, look, I've got this candle I can make and I can make $10,000 a month. That's great. Can you expand it to make $10 million a month? Can you expand it to do even more? Could you possibly step out and have somebody take it over for you potentially, right? That is what you're going to have to look at initially when you get into the business to see where the scalability component of this business really lies and does it have a glass ceiling? Because if it does, you need to understand what is that ceiling and do I want to start this business to begin with? Because getting into it obviously is a lot of work and you need to know, is it going to be worth it? Because all business contains an element of risk. We all know this. I'm a lifelong entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur since about 21 years old, maybe a little bit younger than that, basically my whole life. And you have to understand the element of risk and reward. I personally invest in real estate. That's what I do. If you want to check out and see how my business is structured and how I help others do the same thing, check out the link below. Other than that, wish you luck and I'll see you on the next one.